Hey everyone, and welcome back to our channel. If you're new here, I'm so glad to have you. Today, we are diving into a topic that so many of you have asked about: how to get that clear, even-toned, glowing skin we all dream of. Specifically, we're talking about pigmentation, those pesky dark spots, sunspots, or melasma that can make us feel a little self-conscious. While there are tons of creams and treatments out there, I'm a huge believer in healing from the inside out. What we put into our bodies is just as important, if not more so, than what we put on our skin. So, get ready, because today we are going to explore the delicious and powerful world of natural detox juices that can help you combat pigmentation and reveal your most radiant complexion ever. We'll break down exactly why these juices work, what ingredients are the superstars for your skin, and of course, I'll be sharing some of my absolute favorite, easy-to-make recipes that you can start trying right away. Are you ready to sip your way to brighter skin? Let's get blending. Before we jump into the recipes, let's quickly understand what we're up against. Pigmentation, or hyperpigmentation, is simply when patches of your skin become darker than the surrounding areas. This happens when an excess of melanin, the brown pigment that produces normal skin color, forms deposits in the skin. The main culprits: sun exposure is the big one, but hormonal changes, inflammation from acne, and even just the natural aging process can all play a role. So, how do detox juices fit into this picture? Well, it's all about providing your body with a concentrated dose of specific vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that fight the root causes of pigmentation. These nutrients help in a few key ways. First, they fight oxidative stress. Think of oxidative stress as a kind of rust inside our bodies, caused by free radicals from pollution, UV rays, and poor diet. This rust can trigger inflammation and ramp up melanin production. Antioxidants are our superheroes that neutralize these free radicals. Second, these juices support our body's natural detoxification powerhouse, the liver. A happy liver is crucial for balancing hormones and clearing out toxins that can manifest as skin problems. And finally, many of these ingredients have properties that can directly inhibit the enzyme responsible for producing melanin. It's a multi-pronged attack, all powered by nature. The best part? You're not just improving your skin, you're boosting your entire system. It's a total win-win. Alright, let's talk about our first skin brightening superstar, the Golden Glow juice. This one is my go-to, and it's as beautiful as it is effective. The star ingredients are pineapple, cucumber, and turmeric. Pineapple is packed with vitamin C, a powerhouse antioxidant that is famous for its skin brightening abilities. Vitamin C not only helps to fade existing dark spots but also helps prevent new ones from forming by inhibiting melanin production. Plus, pineapple contains an enzyme called bromelain, which has anti-inflammatory properties to calm the skin. Next up, cucumber. We all know it's hydrating, but it's more than just water. Cucumber is rich in silica, a compound that boosts collagen production, keeping your skin firm and healthy. It also has a wonderfully cooling effect on the body, which helps reduce inflammation from the inside out. And now for the magic ingredient, turmeric. This golden spice contains curcumin, a potent anti-inflammatory and antioxidant compound. Curcumin has been studied for its ability to inhibit tyrosinase, the enzyme I mentioned earlier that's responsible for melanin production. A little pinch of black pepper in your juice can actually enhance your body's absorption of curcumin by up to 2,000%, so don't skip it. So for the Golden Glow juice, you'll need about 1 cup of fresh pineapple chunks, half a cucumber, a 1-inch piece of fresh turmeric root, or half a teaspoon of powder, a tiny pinch of black pepper, and half a cup of water or coconut water. Just blend it all until smooth. It's refreshingly sweet, a little zesty, and so incredibly good for you. Moving on to our second recipe, which I like to call the Ruby Radiance Juice. This one is all about deep, powerful antioxidants from beets and berries. The color alone tells you it's packed with goodness. The core ingredients here are beetroot, mixed berries, and a little bit of ginger. Beetroot is an incredible liver cleanser. As we discussed, a well-functioning liver is key for clear skin. Beets are rich in betalains, the pigments that give them their vibrant color, and these are potent antioxidants that support the detoxification process. By helping your liver flush out toxins more efficiently, you're preventing those toxins from showing up on your skin. Then we have mixed berries, like strawberries, blueberries, and raspberries. These little gems are bursting with vitamin C and another class of antioxidants called anthocyanins. These compounds are fantastic at fighting free radical damage from sun exposure, which is a primary driver of pigmentation. Strawberries, in particular, also contain ellagic acid, which has been shown to help protect the skin from UV damage and inhibit the process that leads to dark spots. To tie it all together, we add a small piece of ginger. Ginger is a phenomenal anti-inflammatory. If your pigmentation is linked to any kind of inflammation, whether it's from acne or an internal issue, ginger can help calm things down systemically. For the Ruby Radiance Juice, you'll want to use 1 small cooked beetroot cooking. It makes it easier to digest, and a bit sweeter 1 cup of mixed frozen berries, a 1/2-inch piece of fresh ginger, and about a cup of water. Blend it all up. The taste is earthy and sweet with a lovely spicy kick from the ginger. It's a true powerhouse for your skin. Ready for our third recipe? This is the Green Guardian Juice. When you think of detox, you probably think green, and for good reason. This juice is loaded with chlorophyll and skin-clearing nutrients. The main players are kale, apple, lemon, and parsley. Kale, or any dark leafy green like spinach, is the foundation. Greens are incredibly rich in antioxidants like lutein and zeaxanthin, which help filter harmful high-energy blue wavelengths of light and protect our skin from sun damage. They are also full of vitamin K, which helps with overall skin health and circulation, and of course, vitamin C. Next, we add an apple. An apple a day keeps the skin doctor away. Apples provide natural sweetness, but they're also a great source of quercetin, an antioxidant that protects against UVB-induced damage. The peel is especially rich in nutrients, so if you're using an organic apple, leave the peel on for an extra boost. Then comes the lemon. Squeezing in the juice of half a lemon does more than just brighten the flavor. Lemons are fantastic for the liver and are packed with, you guessed it, vitamin C. The citric acid also helps to alkalize the body, creating a less inflammatory internal environment, which is always a plus for skin health. Finally, a handful of parsley. Don't underestimate this humble herb. Parsley is surprisingly high in vitamin C, even more so than oranges by weight. It acts as a natural diuretic, helping to flush out excess toxins and fluid from your body, further supporting the detoxification process. For the Green Guardian, you'll need a large handful of kale, 1 green apple, the juice of half a lemon, a small handful of fresh parsley, and a cup of water. Blend until it's super smooth. It's crisp, refreshing, and makes you feel instantly healthier. Now that you have these amazing recipes, let's talk about how to get the most out of them. Consistency is everything. You won't see results overnight. Think of this as a long-term investment in your skin's health. Try to incorporate one of these juices into your routine daily, or at least a few times a week. The best time to drink them is often on an empty stomach, like first thing in the morning. This allows your body to absorb the nutrients most efficiently without having to compete with the digestion of other foods. Also, feel free to customize. The recipes I've shared are fantastic starting points, but you can absolutely mix and match ingredients based on what you have and what you like. Other wonderful additions for fighting pigmentation include papaya, which is rich in the enzyme papain, tomatoes, which are full of lycopene to protect from sun damage, and carrots, packed with beta-carotene, which your body converts to vitamin A, an essential nutrient for skin repair. And please remember, these juices are a powerful supplement to a healthy lifestyle, not a magic cure-all. To truly tackle pigmentation, you need a holistic approach. This means wearing a broad-spectrum sunscreen every single day, rain or shine. This is non-negotiable. You can drink all the juices in the world, but if you're not protecting your skin from new UV damage, you'll be fighting a losing battle. Combine these juices with a balanced diet, plenty of water, adequate sleep, and stress management, and you will create the perfect internal and external environment for your skin to heal and glow. Thank you so much for joining me today and exploring the wonderful world of skin brightening juices. I truly hope you feel inspired to start incorporating these delicious and powerful drinks into your life. Remember, be patient and consistent with your body, and it will thank you with a beautiful, healthy glow. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, please give it a thumbs up. It really helps our channel grow. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you don't miss any of our future content on natural health and beauty. I'd love to hear from you in the comments below. Which juice are you most excited to try? Or do you have your own favorite skin glowing recipe? Share it with our community. Until next time, stay healthy, stay glowing, and take care. Bye.